Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset your WeTransfer password in 2026. If you've forgotten your password or can't sign in to your account, don't worry. Just follow these simple steps to create a new password and regain access to your WeTransfer account. First, open your web browser and go to the official WeTransfer website. On the sign-in page, click the *** forgot password link located below the password field. This will take you to the password reset page. Next, enter the email address associated with your WeTransfer account and click Send, Reset Link ***. WeTransfer will send a password reset email to your inbox within a few minutes. If you don't receive it, be sure to check your spam, junk, or promotions folder. Open the email and click the **reset password ** button. A new page will open where you can create a new password. Choose a strong password that includes uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Re-enter the password to confirm it, then click *save ** or update password **. Once your password has been updated successfully, return to the WeTransfer login page and sign in using your email address and your new password. If you're using multiple devices, you may need to log in again on each one. If the reset link has expired or doesn't work, simply request a new password, reset email, and try again. If you're still unable to reset your password, contact WeTransfer support with your registered email address for further assistance. And that's how you can reset your WeTransfer password in 2026. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe